Hey everyone. Today I wanted to talk about how to transfer funds in the 401k. It's pretty simple to do, and let's just get started right from our participant dashboard. So once you log in, the one thing you want to go to right here is make changes to your account. Go ahead and click on that, and then what's going to pop up is currently what you have right here, which in this case there's just one fund in the account. So say we want to just move stuff around and get a little bit more diversification. So you say transfer the money between funds in your plan. And what I like about which each of these functions do, it just shows you an overall progress, so you know when you're actually completed this transaction. So here we're going to enter investment transfer amounts. You can either select individually by source type, which is basically your contributions or the company's matching contributions. But let's just select all. Basically, you want to transfer everything as far as what type of contribution it is to the funds in the future. So here we're going to select transfer type percentage. That's the easiest, and as you can see, we have a current balance mix of 100% in the preferred portfolio 60 fund, which is the default investment. So let's just say we want to pick 4 funds, and we want to go 100% from, and then let me just make that a little bit better. And then we want to say we want to pick 3 different funds. We'll just pick these 3 here, and I'll say 60%, and then 30%, and then 10%. And you go back up here, you can see that this new target's changed from this one fund to these 3 different funds and those percentages. And so if that looks good, then all you need to do is go down here and click next. And you can see here we're almost done with this transfer, and you just want to make sure the percentages are good. If they're not, you just click back. If they are what you want, then you go ahead and hit submit, and you'll be done. And that'll change where your money's going to be going from your paycheck. And that's it. Just give me a call if you got any questions on that or any other topics regarding the 401k. Otherwise, we'll talk to you next time. Take care.